Python. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages in the world. Python is used for many things, such as creating websites, developing software, analyzing data, building artificial intelligence, automating tasks, and much more. One of the reasons why Python is so popular is because its syntax is simple and easy to read, even for people who are new to programming. Variables. Variables are like containers that store information, such as your age, your name, a temperature, or any other value. For example, we can create a variable called name and store our name inside it. Then we can print it on the screen. After writing the code, press Ctrl plus F5 to run the program. If we want our program to be more interactive, we can use the input function. For example, we can write name equals input. What is your name? This will ask the user for their name and store it inside the variable. If we need the user to enter a number, we must write in before input. For example, age equals input. How old are you? In Python, we can also use conditions. Conditions allow the computer to make decisions depending on certain situations. For example, if we have an age variable and the age is below 18, we can print, "You are a minor." Otherwise, we can print, "You are an adult," using an if statement and an else statement. In Python, you can even create a simple calculator by creating two variables called a and b, and asking the user to enter two numbers. Then you can write print a plus b, or use other mathematical operations such as subtraction, multiplication, or division. Loops are very important because they tell the computer to repeat a specific block of code. For example, a loop can repeat something a certain number of times, or keep repeating until a condition becomes true. This helps us avoid writing the same code over and over again. These are just some of the basics of Python. There is much more to learn, such as functions, lists, dictionaries, classes, and modules. Leave a like and subscribe if you want a more detailed version of this video. Maybe a full beginner course where I explain variables, data types, conditions, loops, and many other Python concepts in greater detail.